In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add both your last name and a page number to your document in Google Docs. This is going to be a straightforward tutorial, so stay tuned as we go through each step together. Whether you're preparing an essay for school, a professional report, or any document that requires specific formatting, these instructions will help ensure your document looks polished and professional. To begin, make sure you have your Google Doc open and ready to go. We'll start by locating the Format menu, which you'll find in the top menu bar of your Google Docs interface. Clicking on Format opens a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Page Numbers. This will prompt a configuration panel to appear where you have the opportunity to decide where your page number should be positioned. You have the option to place these numbers in either the header at the top of your page or the footer at the bottom. If you're using a template that specifies where these should be, make sure to align with that. Otherwise, choose the position that best suits your document's needs. Now, you'll also need to decide which page number your document should start on. By default, it will likely begin on page 1, but you can adjust this setting to fit any specific requirements your project may have. Once you're satisfied with the setup of your numbering, it's time to apply it. Just click the Apply button, and you'll see the page numbers are now added to your document. Let's move on to adding your last name next to these page numbers. To do this, simply click to the left side of the page number wherever you've chosen to place it, either header or footer. Once your cursor is blinking right where you want it, type your last name. It's often as simple as typing it in all caps or as desired, followed by pressing space to ensure there's a little gap between your last name and the page number. This touch not only adheres to formatting guidelines often required in professional settings or academic submissions, but also gives your document a clean look. You'll notice that once you've inserted your last name, every page in your document will automatically update to reflect these changes. This means you don't have to worry about adding these details to each page manually, saving you a ton of time and ensuring consistency across your document. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added your last name and page number to a Google Docs document. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your document's layout, making it look more official and easier to navigate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Google Docs and other tools.